What's up YouTube? Welcome to Folium Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you will create a individual color for every mark. Let me show you. Let's say we have a point. We want to create a separate color for each point. So how can we do that? For that we will create a function. Def, let's say, name the function COLOUR color. Here let's pass any value. Let's say LOCATIONS. Basically, we will change the color according to the location. Let me show you what I am saying. Wait, just for a second. Import canvas. Here you will see that we will add the color, a separate color for Washington, a separate color for Mexico, and for separate color for the other states. So how can we do that? We create a function, let's say locations. You can name any and create a statement if condition if locations equals to let's say Washington, then we will return which color, let's say black, and LF location equals to Mexico, let's say, then we will return let's say which orange, and LF not, let's say else we will return which color. Let's say yellow, black, blue. Okay, and now here in the color we will pass the function. What is the name of the function? Color. What's the name? COLOUR color. And here in this color we will pass the value of this location and L. Let's see what it returns us. Map.py. Okay, it has been running successfully. Let's refresh the page. Okay, black, blue, and these colors. So that's how you change the color for the things. You can do the same with the elevation value also, latitude, longitude, or whatever the thing you want. You can play it yourself. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.